How to upgrade your GitHub account. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your GitHub account easily and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to GitHub. This is the home page as you can see. Now go right here to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Click here. Now all what you have to do is click here on billing and plans. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now go right here and click on this upgrade green option. Click on upgrade and choose the plan that you want. For example, upgrade to Pro, and add your payment informations, and your account will be upgraded. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.